Alright, so I promised y'all the fucking chicken video. So I came to my girl's crib and broke in because she ain't here. And I don't know why the fuck she's eating when I'm cooking. But I'm gonna show y'all how to do all this shit. So the ingredients are chicken. And I got the cheap chicken because I'm trying to feed as many people as I can right now. You need some of these. Chicken flavor. These are the ones that come in little squares and stuff too. You can get them. You want some adobo. Those are the tortillas that we're gonna eat it with because I'm not making no rice for these motherfuckers. Then you're gonna need some onions. This is for the salsa, right? You're gonna need some cilantro. You're gonna need some jalapenos. I threw some serrano peppers on there because they got a different flavor. There's 5 cloves of garlic, and then there's tomatillos, the green kind. All right, so that's pretty much what you need. Besides oil in a pot. So I put some oil in the pot right now, and I'm about to throw in the chicken into the pot just to brown it. All right, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit all these chicken, but I'm gonna put some on there. And I'm gonna lower the heat a little bit because that shit looks savage. So I'm gonna put all the rest of the chicken in there and I'll be back. Alright, so now I'm browning the chicken. So see how it's brown like that? I'm gonna let it cook for a while, and then I'm gonna start the salsa, alright? You need a blender for this shit. You can choose to kind of like, you know, cook the vegetables ahead of time, like in an oven, in a little thing, but I don't have one. So I'm just gonna do it like this, alright? So, or actually I'll boil them and then I'll throw them in there. So, I'll be back when I put them to boil. Alright, so then I'm gonna boil all the vegetables. And then I'm gonna put them, once they come to a boil, I'm gonna put them in the blender. And then the chicken should be looking kind of like this once it's brown, but I'm gonna lower the heat while this boils, and I'll be back when it's boiled. Alright, so now this is boiling, so I'm gonna throw it in the blender, and this has been browned, so I'm gonna lower the heat while I do that. So lower the heat. I'm about to throw this in the blender. Alright, so then you throw everything on here, and then Alright, so then once you blend everything together, you're gonna season that shit. Throw some of the shit on there. Open up these packets and throw them in there. Alright, so then once you do that, it's gonna look like that. This chicken's gonna be looking like this. And you just throw that sauce in there on that chicken, yo. Alright, so then you throw the sauce in there. And then you turn up the heat in this bitch. There you go. High heat. Let the chicken cook for a while. And then I'll be done once it's done. I'll be back once it's done. I can barely talk, my bad. But y'all get the gist of it, right? So I'll be back once it's done. And then I'm gonna max this shit. Alright, so now this is done. And I'm about to max. So just want to make sure the chicken's done. And make sure that that salsa kind of sits in there. The chicken soaks that shit up. And you're done. So there it is. Polloenchileverde. Hit me up for more recipes. Bye.